Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And this today's video I'm going to show you how we can track and fix issues on a Samsung Galaxy phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our settings application, and after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the device care setting, this one. Click on this option, and here you need to choose like the diagnostics right here. Okay, and just wait a little bit. Wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, here we have three options, and we have to select the phone diagnostics. Okay, and you can test all function in your Android phone by clicking on test all. And if you want to test a function individually, you just need to click on the icon. For example, here I'm going to test my battery, so I'm just going to click on battery status like this. Okay, and now as you can see that my battery status is normal, and if you want to test again, you just need to click on test again. Alright guys, and that's how we can track and fix issues on Samsung Galaxy phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.